This is the main access point into the crawl space. That pretty much is the front of the house. This is on the right side of the house. As we walk into the crawl space, we get into the area where the main staircase is. That right there is pretty much the landing right in front of the front door. Here is the flood vent that is required to have some water flow under the staircase. You can see how we built it up. So, if water was to get in here, it would flow into the crawl space.